Do you hate scraping ice and snow off your car windshield every time it snows? If so, you're not alone. Many people find the task of cleaning the windshield extremely laborious, time-consuming, and frustrating. Fortunately, there's a solution: car windshield covers. These covers protect the glass from ice and snow buildup, making the windshield easier to clean and keep it clear in the snowiest of conditions. In this video, we'll take a look at the best car windshield covers for ice and snow and recommend the best option for you. So, watch the full video and check the link given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is AstroAI windshield cover for ice and snow. When it's freezing cold outside and you have to get going, the last thing you want to deal with is a frozen windshield. But with the AstroAI windshield cover, you can quickly remove any ice or snow that's accumulated overnight. The cover is made of 4 layers of durable material: PEV aluminum foil, spray con, spun lace con, and black OxGord cloth. This makes it one of the most effective covers on the market for protecting your windshield from ice and snow. It protects your car all year round. The cover is waterproof, has heat insulation, wear resistance, and UV resistance, and can prevent rain. This means that no matter the weather or season, your car will be protected from the elements. It is designed to perfectly fit most cars and SUV. No more struggling to find a cover that fits your vehicle. This windshield cover has 4 adjustable and durable elastic straps with wheel hooks to secure the cover, so you can rest assured that it will stay put through even the strongest winds and heaviest snowfall. This robust cover features a built-in anti-theft buckle to keep it in place, no matter how windy it gets. And at least reflective stripes on the side mirror covers help to warn other drivers of your presence on the road. This can help to prevent accidents, especially at night when it is more difficult to see. Number 2 is EcoNour car windshield cover for ice and snow. In the freezing weather of the north, you always wonder how to keep your car windshield safe from ice and snow. This 600D OxGord fabric windshield frost cover by EcoNour is just what you need. It fits on your windshield easily and keeps it clean. You can use it during rainy days as well. This windshield cover is made of tough 600D OxGord material with a soft PVC bottom layer, making it durable enough to withstand the elements and protect your windshield from ice and snow. Even after days of use, this material will not saturate. The dual mount straps secure the cover to your car, while the PVC insulated bottom layer prevents melting snow from dripping onto your windshield. The dual side flaps provide additional protection from wind and snow. At 69 inches in length and 42 inches in height, this cover will keep the entire windshield clear of snow and ice. Number 3 is ASE car windshield cover for ice and snow. Winter is here, and for most of us, that means it's time to cover our car windshield with a snow or ice shield. Well, we've got just the thing for you: ASE car windshield cover. This windshield cover comes with a full windshield cover as well as side mirror covers. This cover provides an easy way to remove ice and snow from your windshield before driving. Simply peel off the cover, shake it to remove any excess snow or ice, and then drive off. This particular windshield cover is made of waterproof and durable 600D OxGord fabric, and the interior coating is PVC, so you know it will last through many winters to come. Its unique design also allows it to be used as a sunshade in summer months, making it the perfect all-weather solution for your car. This unit uses 6 powerful magnets to prevent your windshield from being scratched even if it moves by the strong wind. The 2 wings help keep the snow cover in place, so it doesn't blow away in the wind. And the side mirror covers have reflective warning stripe, which can prevent accidents at night. Number 4 is Gelibo car windshield cover for ice and snow. When the weather outside is frightful, make sure your car windshield is protected with the Gelibo car windshield cover for ice and snow. Made of durable, heavy-duty 600D polyester, this windshield cover will keep your car's glass shielded from both ice and snow. Bitter cold winds won't stand a chance against this tough windshield cover. This cover is 75 inches long, 0.1 inches wide, and 42.25 inches tall, so it fits most vans, cars, pickup trucks, and SUV. With this cover, you'll never have to scrape away heavy snow and ice again, Simply pull off the cover and voila, you're ready to hit the road. Number 5 is Sukceso Windshield Snow and Ice Cover. Always on the lookout for quality that is durable and long-lasting. Welcome to Sukceso, the name synonymous with quality. When the weather changes, you change your car's cover to shield it from the adverse effects of sun or rain. You also change your style to suit the changing season. Now, with Sukceso Snow Cover, you can have a new style each time. Made of upgraded Oxford 210D material, 50% more durable than polyester taffeta 210T. This dual-layer pack keeps your car safe from scratches and dust. The double-deck packaging magnet ensures that it stays in place and is protected all the time. The upgrade in technology has made sure that these covers pack the required amount of power to help protect you against the harsh wintry conditions. Plus, they look good too. Pick one up today and see how it makes winters a breeze.
Hey everybody, it's Build Confidence. What I'm going to show you today is a car snow shade for the windshield. We got here beautiful quality packaging. It's already been opened once before and it's been refolded. I wasn't the one who did it. I've never tried this before. We got this nice beautiful packaging, and as you can see, I was demonstrating on the clips. You can see those are some real quality clips right here. Meaning the whole thing is made with quality from A to Z, whether it's the bag or the product itself. As you can see from the bag and this over here, we're using the same material for the both of them. The thickness is really, really, really good. It's got the waterproofing on the inside, just like we have over here. And the best part about this product is, number one, it's a real heavy duty product. You can have like 4 inches of snow, 6 inches. You could be in a blizzard where you can't drive your car, but I can tell you one thing, your windshield is gonna be spotless. You won't have any frost, you won't have any leaves, you won't have snow, ice, or rain on that windshield. Now this is perfectly universal and it fits for any vehicle. Any and every single vehicle, you can just check the dimensions. Now why am I demonstrating this particular product? I want to let it be known that there are many brands out there that you can choose from. You see so many of them online and they're all popping up every single day. These guys flooding up with reviews, fake, not fake. I'm not here to judge, it doesn't make a difference. OxGord snow shade cover, the windshield cover for the snow shade, has been around for many years. It's an official branded product and it's built to last. And I'm gonna demonstrate to you over here how to install. So what we have here on the side, as you can see, is the flaps. And you can see from the inside, which is a security feature that some people have. They didn't even know when they were copying our product. They didn't even know that we put this flap on the inside. So if you're trying to pull it out the window, it's got the lock in there. That's a trade secret that we have that other people don't have. They saw the design, they copied. I love it, it's great. Okay, so what we're gonna do over here is we're just gonna literally put it right on the window, okay? And you see how it just kind of lines up right there, right? See all that nice waterproofing over there, beautiful tag, branded product over there. All you gotta do is you open up the door and you slip it right in, right through the side. Now remember, when you pull that out, it's not gonna be able to come out. Boom, close the door on there, okay? So now you got that locked up. You can do it right there, right? So you see it's lined up. If you wanna open up your door and adjust it a little, that's completely up to you. So I also noticed one of the other cute things are, first of all, you want to make sure you don't cover it like this. You got to cover the windshield wipers, because if you don't cover them, what's going to happen is later on when you have the snow, it's going to freeze, and then when you go back and forth, it's going to crack. Now, one of the cute things that I've noticed is that there are many people that are advertising online, and what they're saying is like 2-layer, 3-layer, 4-layer, 5-layer, 6-layer. This product right here is built to last. This is a phenomenal product. Here, see, just open the door slowly. I already got it on the, you see, it's not ripping, it's not gonna like snap on you. Look at that, just sits right in, beautiful, look. Boom. Now, you can have the heaviest winds coming in. You got it locked down and secured from right there, look at this. The entire windshield is covered. Look at that, beautiful. Snow, rain, dust, whatever you wanna call it, doesn't make a difference. This thing is beautiful, look at this. The quality, feel this thing right here. Look at this thing, it's beautiful, I love it. And it even fits on trucks. You might have to do a little bit of adjustment sometimes, try to get it lined up nicely, but it's gonna fit, You just check the dimensions, get it in there, and right over. It looks beautiful, amazing. Look, all right, we even have another SUV over here. Let's see how this fits. Beautiful, I love it. If you're wondering, it even fits on this. And it fits on this. It fits. And it fits on this. Perfect. It fits everywhere. And it even fits on this.
Hi, it's Rick Manning. The weather's warm and sunny where I live, but I know winter's coming. That's why I bought the ALTITACO car windshield snow cover to protect my windshield and wipers when my car is parked outside. The cover is made of waterproof polyester fabric. It weighs less than a pound and it folds up into this zippered storage bag. Now I want to show you how easy it is to install. Start by securing one side of the cover by closing it inside a front door. There are a set of magnets sewn into the edges of the fabric, and they keep the cover in place during installation, and they also provide resistance against the winter wind. Once you have the windshield covered, adjust the fabric so the bottom covers your wipers. To secure the bottom corners, hook the elastic bungee cords to your wheels. It took me only about 2 minutes to get my windshield and wipers completely covered and protected. This cover can also protect cars' interior from harmful sun rays. This is the ALTITACO car windshield snow cover. I'm Rick Manning. Thanks for watching.
Number 8 is CAT Frost Guard, toughest car windshield snow cover. Every year, a lot of cars get covered in white stuff due to heavy snowfall. But today, you have a perfect solution for them. CAT is the brand that has been making car covers since the early 2000s and it's still going strong. CAT Frost Guard uses thermal technology to trap heat and prevent frost buildup overnight. Made from high-quality materials, this product is durable and reliable while remaining lightweight and easy to install on most vehicles. 9 strategically placed magnets along with side mirror straps make installation quick and easy. With CAT Frost Guard, you can rest assured that your car is safe and secure. The convenient flaps attach to your car's windows, making it more difficult for potential thieves to break in.